Hey everyone, it's Ralph. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I've got a new video that I wanted to show you. You probably, or hopefully you saw on Kompoz about 10 days ago, I posted something that said I was going to be going into a quiet period where I worked on something new. And so that's what I'm going to show you right now. And essentially what I decided was that I wanted to start over, really, with the front end. So let me explain what that means. In software development, you typically create your applications in two parts. You have a back-end system, typically web services, where all your business rules, your database access, and all your logic lives. And you have a separate system for the front end, which is where all of the look and feel, the navigation, and the user interface lives. And it's that second part, the whole navigation and user interface, that I wanted to completely redo. And the reason for that is primarily I wanted to try a different technology. And so that's what I'm going to show you today. Probably the biggest advantage of this newer technology is that with the audio player, which I'm going to show you, you'll see that, let me actually go to my open requests. The biggest advantage is that when I start playing this audio, right now you'll see at the bottom, from the bottom up, it sort of starts playing, and it's going to stay there and it's going to remain docked while I do other things. So for example, I could click and filter my open tracks, right? I can go into a project, I can go into the details of that project and look at all my files. Essentially, I can browse anywhere on the Kompoz website and the audio player continues to play. That's really going to be great when you're in like community and listening to the radio section and searching for projects. You're going to continue to, you'll be able to listen to the audio without it stopping every time you hit a new page. So I think that's actually really cool and worth the effort of redoing it. You'll also see some other advantages is that, it's really, really quick, right? Because everything is now running in your browser as opposed to making trips back and forth to the back-end web services. So I'm pretty happy with the way it's coming out. The only time the audio is really going to stop, and I did this by design, was that if I go into a track and I go to the details of that track, it'll stop that audio player and bring up a new audio player with that particular track. And this is where I can do things like selecting regions, which I demonstrated in the last video here, right? So I can add comments, I can copy this to a clipboard, and I can, I can play loops, right, by staying in this region, right? So all of that continues to work. It seems really great. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to now, I think I'm at the point now where I was 10 days ago. So now I'm going to start continuing to add more and more features to the site. But I wanted to show you what I've done and where we are. And again, I'm pretty excited about this and hope you will be too. All right, stay safe, everyone. Talk to you soon.